cashier and doggy. Let's get started. They slept in the basement.
Trash right here.
Can't open the money. Set it up. I can't open this. It's get one more for free.
Buy one, get one for free.
You can also buy dolls. Wait, let me set up my cashier. Here's your credit card you're playing with.
Okay. Thank you.
Wait, I'm going to say you need $5 more.
But if I have credit card, I don't need cash.
No, because you have only $4. You only have like a little bit money and you need more.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Hi, welcome.
Hi, how are you today?
Good, how are you?
Good. I'm looking to get this one. What is this? This is so interesting.
They're puppies and there's a set.
Okay, can I get the set? Can you check how much is the price for me?
Yes. $5.
$5. I'll use my card.
Okay.
Credit approved.
It's approved.
Okay. Oh, no, dog. Please put in your phone number and then sign your name with a pen. If it runs out of batteries, you have like
How do I take this there? There you go.
okay.
Thank you.
Okay, now I'll play as a customer. Oh, guys, I have to clean up for the day. Okay. Put this money back for change she gave me. Card. Card here too. Get it tomorrow. Get our free dolls ready. Let's get dolls ready. Okay. Now we gotta put our party balloons. Hi, I'm here to buy something. Wait. Hi, welcome. Oh, hi. I came here to buy some stuff. How much is your dolls today? Oh, okay, I'll buy one of them. I'll buy this doggy toy. This is it, yeah.
Thanks for shopping.
This is all I want to get. Plus my scissors I picked up. Okay. My axe is in there. Okay. $2,000. Ma'am, that is so expensive. Where's your manager? Where's your manager? $2. Scanning her credit card. Pay with my own.
Hi. Thanks for shopping.
Ma'am, what? Why did you do that? I am her manager. Now I'm gonna make customers. Doll. My maroon red hair doll is the first customer. And she's paying with cash. My second customer, the blondie, is paying with card. Set this up. These two. Ring-a-ding, ring-a-ding. Oh, hi, welcome. Hi, welcome. How are you? What are you guys looking for? Are you guys together or separate? Together? Big sister, little sister? Nia, Sophia. Okay, just the box. Yeah, I'm sorry. We just had to go get something. Yeah, we have sofas and iPads for free. Oh, yeah. So, iPad, baby? Okay, an iPad. Let's get that iPad. So, in this iPad, this is mine in real life. Let me check all the games. Are these all the games you want? Good. Okay. This is $10. Then you want this flower ball. And then, okay, this is all you want. No, wrong girl. These are what you want, okay? You also want these. I'll get the scissors, the balls, and the container. Okay. Who wants to go first? You? Okay. Hi, how can I help you? Okay. Toxic labels. The pink label. $10. $5. So 15. Then 2 more, so it's $17. Oh. This is $2, $19. $19. Let's see what you have in your credit card. Cash your card.
Welcome. Please sign.
Here, just sign. It says, please, what's it? It says, please, or Madam Gazelle Kunju. Oh, it's in the Bosnian mode, so let me change that for you, ma'am. Thank you. Okay. Thank you for coming. Have a great day. Do you want this in a bag or a just you're gonna hold it? Okay. Hi, welcome. You can scoot over here. Let me stop. So, ooh, these stuff are kind of cheap.
Here's your total.
$15. This one, okay, you do get it's $14, but you have change. Okay, I just need you to sign right here. So you got toys.
Great choice.
What's your phone number? 6
6
3 0 8 9 9 0 6 9 9. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and hit that bell button. I'll see you guys later. Peace. Yeah.